38 best virtual tour. This house is a big house, siding, brand new roof. It's got a tandem 2-car garage. Let's go inside and look at this. Has a covered front porch here. Kind of a nice mudroom. Newer windows. Blinds are all new. It's in Bedford, Ohio. All updated. Paint, plugs, switches, lights. Even has a new heater in it. You see it's a nice big living room, kitchen area. New flooring, a lot of cabinets, You see all new flooring. You have 2 bedrooms on the first floor, or 3, excuse me. This is a 4-bedroom house. 4-bedroom, 1-bath house. Nice big bedrooms. All new plug switches and lights. Paint. And we also got a nice bathroom, new flooring, new toilet. We got enamel spray we put on our tubs that really hold up. It's easy to clean, keep clean. That was done. Here's the other bedroom. Again, newer windows, plug switches, lights, blinds, new paint. Very, very nice home. Here's this. So again, this is your 3rd bedroom. All very good sized bedrooms. Plug switches, lights, blinds, paint, all the same. Very clean home. It's almost like moving into a new home. Then you have another bedroom upstairs here. So you can have your privacy up here. Nice, lot of storage up here. And it's a pretty good sized bedroom. Biggest one of all of them. But it is private upstairs. Nice. Alright, let's go downstairs here. Got a full basement down here. Brand new heater. So it'll be very efficient. Here's this. So your laundry's over here. There's your new heater. So so this is a nice house. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 1-bath in Bedford, Ohio. Very rare. You have your block windows up here, nice for that. So if you're looking for a house in Bedford, this was your house. Thanks. Have a great day.